Hey, what's up, my cruiser? So as you can see, my temps were kind of hot, so I decided to remedy that by getting some new fans. So the first fan I got was the Spal 12-inch 1226 CFMs, running pretty strong. This one was probably the stronger of the two, so this one had a lot of airflow. I believe it has more than actually what it says it has. The second fan I got was a Flexolite trimline. It's also 12 inches and it has 1105 CFM, I believe. And link in the description for these as well. And I also have the link for the old video where we installed the radiator. So, you know, for a 6-cylinder, you need at least 2,000 CFMs according to Flexolite, 2,500 for 8-cylinder. So since this is a straight 6, I figured 2,300 should be enough. And we have 2,331 CFM with this setup. So let's find out if it's gonna work out, and it should work out. So let's see how we put it together. Take these fans out. Yeah, it's a bigger fan.
Yeah, let's try and take the fan shroud out a little bit so I can get off this edge.
Yeah.
And then
the Spal
right there, and then
Flexolite here, Spal right here,
and then this one will be here. Yeah, because this one I can move over, but I don't want to move it over too much. I want to kind of keep it in the middle as much as I can.
Yeah, it's cool. It's going to be pushing air anyways, because the air here is going to be coming in there anyway. Yeah. It's going to be like a vortex.
Okay, yeah, that fits there.
It's going to be like a vortex push.
Doesn't fit there, but we'll put a washer on that, so it'll fit. Hell yeah, we're good. We're in business, brother. Well, I guess I could have started with that one. It has the little pilot thing on it. It's alright.
Try to make it smaller and then bigger.
Yeah.
You can't force it all the way in. You gotta just put the tip in first.
I guess it needs to be a 3/8. Oh yeah. Really? Oh. You're good? Alright, cool. I just wanted to make sure we didn't hear any weird noises and stuff. There. Hold that tab. Yeah. And then try to drop it down. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Sitting this battery tray.
Is it? Hold on. Oh, there it goes.
There you go.
Alright. That's alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the hose is good. Alright, cool. Oh. Drop it a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah.
So with my stock fan clutch setup, I was getting like around 200, 210, you know, stop and go traffic. And it's not even summer yet in Arizona, and you know it gets hot here. So right now, we're doing pretty good. So I sat in front of my house for around, you know, 10, 15 minutes. And then I sat in the garage for another 10 minutes. So it was almost 30 minutes overall, just idling. And it didn't go past 190, which was pretty amazing to me, because before it would rise up to like close to 220 sometimes. So there you have it. So far, so good. Stay tuned, because I will be doing a shakedown run in the next video. So make sure you like.
Moments later.
Share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.